Good morning. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. In our weather headlines today, we have isolated thunderstorm chances. A lot of us will get through the day dry, but some of us will not. Saturday through Monday, we're looking at hot and humid conditions with small chances for thunderstorms. And then cooler temperatures are going to return for the middle of next week. We have a flood warning in effect, and this is going to be until Saturday at 8 p.m. in the Ingham County area. This is at the Red Cedar River at East Lansing, and this is because the river is expected to crest about 7.1 feet. The flood stage there is only 7 feet, so some lower lying areas near there could see some flooding. And this is going to happen after midnight tonight, and then the levels will drop throughout Saturday, and then it's done. For your day planner today, though, temperatures are in the mid-60s as you're heading out the door this morning, and they'll continue to climb into the upper 60s. And then by lunchtime, we're in the mid to upper 70s. By 4 p.m., we're in those low 80s, and that's near where we're going to top out today. But we do have about a 40% chance of some isolated thunderstorms and showers, and then we're also looking at smaller chances throughout the weekend. Now, here is how things are going to track out on our future cast. For the 7 o'clock hour, isolated thunderstorms in the St. John's area. The rest of us are dry, but we advance to about lunchtime, about 1 o'clock, and we're looking at some isolated thunderstorms in Williamston, and Lansing could be seeing some moderate to heavy showers at that time. By 4 p.m., Lansing still dealing with some rain, also Charlotte and Jackson. The rest of us are dry, and then once we get to about 7 o'clock, we are nice and dry. Just a lone shower there popping up around the Portland area. But I want to jump into Sunday. Sunday, it's really overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. So Sunday at 4 a.m., St. John's is looking at some isolated thunderstorms there. But we advance to 11 o'clock, and Charlotte is seeing some isolated thunderstorms there. And Lansing, Mason, looking at some heavier rain. The rest of us are going to be dry. By 2 p.m., that should be done, and we should make way for some primarily dry conditions. Dew points are going to be high, though, today in the mid-60s throughout the day. So it's going to be another humid day, and it's going to be humid throughout the weekend as well. Today we'll see a high reach 82 degrees, with isolated thunderstorms. Tonight we'll see the temperature drop down to a low of 65 degrees with partly cloudy conditions. And tomorrow we'll see a high of 85 degrees, mostly sunny. We do have these tiny chances of showers or isolated thunderstorms to pop up. Really until Wednesday. Then Wednesday we get really dry, mostly sunny there for Wednesday and Thursday, but the temperature is going to drop down to a low of 77 degrees at that time. But through the weekend, we're looking at some real summer weather, isolated thunderstorm chances and hot and humid conditions, but we'll be in the mid to upper 80s. By Monday, though, we're near 90 degrees. So we've got some hot weather on the way, but hey, it's summer. You can expect that. So that does it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.